Hi, it's Jason here with REMAX Realty Specialist. What I'm going to show you today is how to take an asbestos sample for your home. So a lot of properties were built with asbestos in kind of the mid 70s, 60s and 50s, not knowing that, of course, that material was hazardous to your health. So it was banned in 1977, but a lot of homes still may have asbestos in it. So I'm going to show you right now how you can take a sample by yourself as a homeowner and not having to pay a contractor to do it for you, because you can do it yourself. Save yourself a little bit of money, and it's pretty simple. So basically, what I'll do is I'll show you what exactly I did in this one specific property. So I took a piece of sample of some shower towel, a piece of drywall, and I'll go down here too. And if you can see right here. I pulled up some of these old tiles that were on top of these older tiles. So what's most likely the older tiles on the very bottom that could contain asbestos. So, and then what you do is, here, let's get a better light here. You just take some samples, you label it, you put it in these double Ziploc bags, and then you take it to, there is asbestos sampling laboratories. There is one here in Mississauga, and I'll show you what happens with the results. And I do want to mention, when you are taking asbestos samples, it's best to take as much precaution as you can. Wear face masks, wear gloves. That's what I did when I did take these samples. And then here I patched it with some duct tape, so that if it did have any asbestos, any excess fibers wouldn't be kind of airborne. Everything is just kind of sealed in tight, because Health Canada says it's actually not harmful if you don't touch it, but if you start to disrupt it and it gets airborne and then you can breathe it in, that becomes a problem. So when you are taking samples, take precautions. If you have a full suit, that would be great, but you need a face mask, some surgical gloves, and then make sure you wash your hands, and you don't get any on your clothes there. All right, we're back. It's been a week, and I do have the asbestos test results back. So you can get the test results within 24 hours. It does cost a little bit more. I had multiple samples. I had, of course, the bathroom towels. I had the vinyl kind of floor towels there, and then I had some stucco and other places throughout that property there. So when you do 24 hours, it's a little bit more expensive. If you say, I have more time, and you can do the week time frame, it does save you some money. So the company I used in Mississauga was EMSL, and of course I don't recommend one over the other, but this was the local company. So I do have the test results back, and look, lo and behold, I have 3 indicators that some of the samples that I did take did have asbestos. So what they do on that, of course, they show you the percentage. So what you would have to do in this case, if your property does have asbestos, of course, talk to your contractor, see what their risk tolerance is for asbestos removal, or you could just call a professional company and have that removed. Of course, you could do it yourself, but you run the risk of not doing it properly, because getting it professionally done, they have of course, the proper equipment. So hopefully that did help you out in terms of keeping yourself safe, keeping your property safe. And yeah, older homes do have asbestos, they do have radon, they do have vermiculite. So you got to keep yourself safe, get it tested, and that right there, that's your success tidbit for this month.